what the bathroom looks like. This is the shower. It's really nice. Space. And then this is the room. We did get upgraded to a higher floor, so I am happy about that because now we have a really nice great view, and we were able to early check in, guys. 12 o'clock LA time right now, and they don't let check in until 4, but we were able to check in, so that's really nice. There's the Dolby Theater right here, pool. So really nice, guys. So I just got done doing a little light makeup. So we're getting ready to go to In-N-Out now, and then we have the Lakers game a little bit later, so that's why I am wearing the nice gold sweatsuit. So that'll be nice for the game. So I hope you guys are having a great Christmas Eve. I'm still trying to get used to the time zone here in California because I forget that sometimes when I'm looking at like text or like messages or emails or anything like that, or even talking to my mom, I forget that they're 3 hours ahead of us. So today is our second day, well, technically our first full day in California. We did get here yesterday around noonish, I think is what I was telling you guys yesterday. Right now, currently, Windsor is at the gym because he says grind don't stop. And of course, I'm being a slacker and not at the gym. But I was thinking about going down to the mall. There is a mall, like literally, I'm looking at it right here. We are going to Beverly Center. So we're going over there today, which is a lot more high-end mall. So I'm like, should I just wait till I get there? Or should I just go see what this mall has? I don't know. I think I'm just gonna wait. I think I'm just gonna take this time to get ready. I got the veggie burger and fries, and Windsor got these spicy cashew chicken. And then we also have nachos. Merry Christmas to you guys. I am up today. I just got done with my makeup. Did something very simple. No eyeshadow today. I wasn't really feeling no eyeshadow, so I still have to do my lips, but we're getting ready to go find somewhere to eat Christmas breakfast because we're both starving. So we're gonna go do that, and then we're probably just gonna come back and chill out for a little bit, and later we're gonna go to the movies. And then we have all day tomorrow to still do some stuff, and I'm still trying to figure out what I want to do tomorrow. So I've literally been wearing my NYX foundation the entire trip because I needed a new Fenty foundation. I forgot, and my Fenty foundation is pretty much empty, and I completely forgot and brought it along with me anyways. So been wearing that and my NARS creamy concealer the entire trip, and it's been doing really well. It's been holding up a lot better than in Georgia because I feel like the humidity in Georgia is a lot different than out here, so it's been really breezy. I've sweat, like my face will start sweating a little bit, but my makeup really stays put. Welcome to day 26. It is the day after Christmas, of course. Today is our last full day in LA. Sorry about the mess in the background. If you can see anything, ignore it. So today is our last full day in LA. We are going to the Santa Monica Pier area today. We're gonna see the Griffith Observatory later this evening and take some pictures of the Hollywood sign. And I think that's pretty much going to be it for today. There's apparently a really good Jamaican restaurant that we're going to hope to find. Our sister-in-law, or my sister-in-law. If you guys didn't know, Windsor and his family is full Jamaican. Yeah, so she recommended a Jamaican place to us. So we're going to try to find that today. It's another beautiful day in LA. Every single day has been beautiful. Like yesterday we didn't do much, because yesterday was Christmas. We really did not do a whole lot. We did go see, I don't think I vlogged any of this, but we did go see Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse last night, and it was really good. It was really funny and really good. I don't know why I'm so out of breath. Gosh. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready because it is actually really early. It's 8:31 right now, and Windsor got up and went to the gym because I told him that we needed to get today started early so we could finish everything today, because we leave like super early tomorrow morning. So yeah, so he already went to the gym, so I'm gonna try to be done getting ready by the time he gets back, so that way we can just kind of hit the road once he's done showering. So yeah, so I'll see you guys a little bit later. We're buried today. Very pretty views, guys. Super pretty. dark, 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 dark.